Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastava and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video we write a C++ program to count the number of vowels and consonants in a string. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 viewers only 3 or 4 are subscribed. More than 95% of my audience is not subscribed, and a subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's begin. So we have to write a C++ program to count the number of vowels and consonants in a string. So if we look at this first example where this string is hello world, the number of vowels are 3, number of consonants are 7. So in this string we have this lowercase e, lowercase o, and then another lowercase, so 3 vowels. Number of consonants are uppercase h, lowercase ll, uppercase w, r, l, and d. Okay. One thing you have to note here is this comma is neither a vowel nor a consonant, right? So I have to make sure is not included in either of the counts. Okay. Same goes for this white space and this exclamation mark. Okay. The length of this entire string is 13. Okay. But the number of vowels and consonants make up a total of 10. So the difference of 3 is comma, space, and exclamation mark. Okay. These should not be included in either counts. Okay. In the other example, I have my name. Okay. So number of vowels are 7, number of consonants are 13. Okay. Total comes out to be 20. The length of the string is 21. The extra one character is this space, which is not included in either count. Okay. So let me write a function bool is vowel, which takes a single character ch. Okay. This will return true if this character is a vowel. Okay. And similarly, I will write a function is consonant. Okay. Takes a single character ch. Okay. Now the first function, how do we check if this single character is a vowel or not? I've already uploaded a video where I explain this in very detail on how to check if a character is a vowel or not. Okay. There are multiple approaches, more than one methods in which I solve this problem. Okay. So first I'm just going to complete this entire solution, and then I'm going to show you the alternate methods for this at the end of the video. Okay. So I need to check if ch is basically a vowel. It is one of a, e, i, o, u, including both lowercase and uppercase. Okay. So I take a string s as a, e, i, o, u, a, e, i, o, u. Okay. All the possible vowels. Okay. And then I say return s dot find ch not equal to string and pause. Okay. Now find is a method in string class which basically looks for this character in this string s. Okay. Find will return the first index where this ch is found in this string s. Okay. And it returns this value. Okay. This is a constant if you take a pointer here. Okay. This value is returned if ch is not found in the string s. Okay. In short, if ch returns a value not equal to this, it means ch was found in this string s. It means ch is one of these. So if this is true, it means ch is one of these. It means ch is a vowel. Okay, and that's what we are checking. All right. To check if ch is a consonant or not, ch is a consonant if it is a letter and not a vowel. Okay. The first intuitive check that comes to your mind to check for consonant is return not is vowel ch. Okay. This is correct, but this is only half correct. That is, if I pass comma here, okay, this check will pass because comma is not one of these, but comma is not a consonant either. Okay. So first you have to make sure that ch is a letter. It is a character between a and z, both lowercase and uppercase, and then you check it that it is not a vowel. Okay. So you have to check if it is a letter. So you can use inbuilt methods in ctype.h, which we include in C++ as cctype. So you can say is alpha and pass ch and not as vowel. Okay. So if ch is alphabetic, that is it is between a and z, and this will check for both lowercase and uppercase, and it is not a vowel, it means it is a consonant. Okay. Just this is half correct. This is wrong. Okay. Alright. So my vowel is done, is consonant is done. I am going to take a string in my main. Okay. I take two counters, count for each number of vowels and number of consonants. Okay. I iterate this string I is less than s dot length I plus plus. Okay. I pick up the ith character as s of I. Okay. So if this character is a vowel, that is if I pass this character into this function, okay, and it returns true, this if condition becomes true, I increment number of vowels by 1. Okay, else if, okay, I check if it is a consonant. Okay, is consonant ch. Okay, if this condition is true, I increment number of consonants by 1. Okay, and finally after the for loop completes, I know how many vowels and consonants are there in the string s. Okay, all I have to do is just print the output number of vowels. Okay, num vowels, and change a line. Okay, similarly number of consonants is num consonants, and change. Okay, so this is my code that will check for the number of consonants and vowels in a string. Let me compile. Okay, let me run. Number of vowels are 3 and consonants are 7 for the first case. Okay, for this string. Alright, changing it to say the second case. Okay, I compile, I check. Okay, vowels are 7, consonants are 13. Okay, alright, so this is the solution. Okay, and now I will tell you the alternate functions that you can write in place of is vowel, right? So I'll name this is vowel 1. I'll write another is vowel 2. Okay, in this case we use the simple idea of if else if. Ch is match against all possible characters which can be vowels. So if, okay, ch is lowercase a or ch is uppercase a, or, okay, the other cases would be, so a e I o u, I'll just code them, return true for these cases. Okay, else return false. Okay, so a e I o u, a e I o u. Okay, so this is an alternate method to check if a single character ch is a vowel or not, and I'm going to use is vowel 2 and is vowel 2. Okay, I should be getting the same output, right? So I compile, I run. Okay, vowel 7, consonants 30. Okay, the third option, the third approach that we can take to check for vowel is using switch case. Okay, what we can do in this is I write a switch case block past this variable ch. Okay, so for case lowercase a, for case lowercase e. Okay, for case lowercase I, for case lowercase o, for case lowercase u. Okay, I return. Okay, I'm using the fall through of cases and also for the uppercase characters. Okay, now what is the fall through of cases? That suppose if ch is lowercase I, the case matching is here. Okay, in switch case, everything for this case is going to be, everything after this case, all the statements will be executed until you find a break or you find the end of the switch, right? So after this case there is no break statement. Okay, it keeps falling through till it finds a break or the switch ends. So it finds this return true, so value true is returned. Okay, suppose if ch is uppercase a, the match is here, the fall through of cases happens and return true again. Okay, so if there is a match with any of these cases, this same statement is executed and you return true for all these cases. So if ch is one of these cases, that is it is a vowel, it will return true. Finally I return false. Okay, and now I change this vowel 2 to is vowel 3. Okay, same, compile and check. Okay, vowels 3, consonants 30. Okay, so this was the solution, the code in C++ to find number of vowels and consonants in a string. So I hope this video was helpful, you like this video. So if there is anything that was not clear to you in this video, you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. I always try to answer all your queries in the comments. And you can always let me know in the comments if there is a question you want me to solve or if there is a concept you want me to discuss. Okay, so please like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and please share your thoughts about this video in the comments. Thank you.